The Anua 10% Niacinamide Tranexamic Acid Serum can help fade those dark spots and prevent new ones from occurring, and it evens out our skin tone. It is one of Anua's top selling serums. It's reasonably priced and works effectively on our skin. The product has 10% niacinamide. Niacinamide fades the dark spots. It also has some anti-inflammatory property, meaning it calms the skin and reduces the redness on our skin. It's also good for acne prone skin, and it also strengthens our skin barrier function, meaning it helps the skin stay hydrated and prevents breakouts on our skin. Breakouts on our skin are the pimples, acne, blackheads and whiteheads. The product also has 4% tranexamic acid. The tranexamic acid is also very good at fighting the dark spots, especially the stubborn dark spots, and studies also show that it can reduce the red marks on our skin. It can help with melasma. Skin prone to melasma can benefit greatly by using tranexamic acid. The next ingredient the product has is 2% alpha-arbutin. Alpha-arbutin is really good even if you've got sensitive skin, and it's a very good anti-pigmentation skincare ingredient, just like the niacinamide and the tranexamic acid that this serum has. The product also has hyaluronic acid and polyglutamic acid. These two ingredients are going to bring in some hydration to the skin. It also has some plant extracts which are all going to calm the skin and reduce the inflammation on our skin. What makes this product such a good anti-pigmentation ingredient is it's got 3 different anti-pigmentation ingredients, all at optimum amounts, and these anti-pigmentation ingredients fight pigmentation on our skin in their own different ways, and that's what we need to fight skin's pigmentation. We need ingredients which can attack that pigmentation from different routes. Only then pigmentation on our skin can disappear, can reduce. If we just use one ingredient, one path to tackle that pigmentation, that's not going to get rid of the pigmentation. That's the honest truth. You can use the product either in the morning or in the night time. Just make sure that your face is clean, cleanse it properly, and then apply the serum. Let it sit on your skin for a few minutes, maybe 30 seconds to a minute, and then apply a good moisturizer on top of it. If you are using in the morning time, make sure you use a sunscreen on top of it. And remember that the best way to prevent pigmentation, all the dark spots, dark patches, is to use a sunscreen regularly, every day at regular intervals. This serum is really good. It's got a lovely texture, and you'll feel that your skin is soaking it all in as you apply it on your skin, and it works effectively on our skin as well, and that's the most important thing we need, I guess. This isn't a trendy product. There are a lot of trendy products in the market which just go viral because a lot of people are talking about it, whether it produces results or not. This is a science-backed product because it's got ingredients which are science-backed. Enough research has been done on the ingredients that are used in this product to show that they actually work, and it's also priced reasonably. That is a huge plus as well. So this is a huge thumbs up for me. It's one of my favorite skincare products. That's about it. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a like and do subscribe to my channel. That will really help me a lot, and I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.